Welcome back to our scientific adventure and English learning journey. In today's video, we are going to explore a fascinating science topic that will improve your knowledge and your English skills at the same time. The listening level is perfect for B1 and B2 learners, so you can challenge yourself without feeling lost. As we go through the lesson, we'll also practice a special grammar structure which we'll review together at the end, along with the most important vocabulary from the video. So get ready, because today you are going to learn something new in both science and English. Have you ever wondered where did artificial intelligence come from? From myth to machine, the ancient dream. Long before computers existed, humans imagined intelligent machines. In ancient Greece, myths like Talos, which was a giant bronze automaton, showed our fascination with artificial life. Centuries later, inventors like Al-Jazari built mechanical devices that could perform complex tasks automatically, hinting at the future of AI. The mathematical foundations. These early dreams needed rules and logic to become real. Mathematics, which is the language of science, provided those foundations. Logic and reasoning, developed by Aristotle and later expanded into Boolean logic that computers still use today. Probability and statistics, which allow AI to work with uncertainty. Linear algebra and calculus, which make it possible to train neural networks and optimize their performance. From math to machines, the birth of computer science. Mathematics paved the way for computer science, which turned theory into working technology. In the 1940s, Alan Turing, who is considered the father of computer science, introduced the concept of a universal machine that could simulate any other machine. By 1956, the Dartmouth Conference, which is often called the birth of AI, officially named artificial intelligence as a research field. Learning from the brain, neuroscience. Computer science was powerful, but to make machines think, scientists turned to the human brain, which contains about 86 billion neurons. In 1943, McCulloch and Pitts created the first mathematical model of a neuron, inspiring artificial neural networks that power modern AI systems like ChatGPT. Understanding thought, psychology, and cognitive science. To create machines that could reason like humans, AI researchers studied psychology and cognitive science, which combined linguistics, philosophy, and neuroscience. Thinkers like Herbert Simon built models of decision-making that still influence AI algorithms today. Giving AI a body, engineering and robotics. Understanding thought wasn't enough. AI needed to interact with the real world. Engineering produced robots like Shaky in the 1960s, which could navigate rooms and make decisions. Cameras, sensors, and actuators allow AI systems that could see, hear, and move to emerge. The rise of modern AI. As robotics advanced, computing power and data availability exploded. This led to breakthroughs in machine learning and deep learning, which transformed AI from theory into everyday reality. Industries like healthcare, finance, and entertainment, which adopted AI early, gained massive competitive advantages. So, the history of AI is the story of many sciences working together: mathematics for rules and logic, computer science for digital thinking, neuroscience for brain-inspired models, psychology for human-like reasoning, engineering and robotics for real-world interaction. Okay, now let's go back and see what grammatical structure the video focused on today. This video focused on relative clauses. Relative clauses are parts of a sentence that give extra information about a noun. Instead of starting a new sentence, we attach this information to the noun using special words called relative pronouns. The most common ones are who for people, which for things and animals, that for people, things, or animals, less formal, where for places, when for times. Why do we use them? To add useful details, to avoid repeating short sentences, to make our English sound smoother and more natural. Examples from AI history. Talos, which was a giant bronze automaton, showed early human imagination. The relative clause adds more detail about Talos. The Dartmouth Conference in 1956, which is considered the birthplace of AI as a science, introduced the term artificial intelligence. The clause explains why the conference was important. We talked about the 1970s and 1980s when AI funding was cut and progress slowed down. The word when links to a period of time and adds extra context. Key vocabulary: automaton, a machine that moves by itself. Boolean logic, a form of logic using true-false values. Neuron, a nerve cell that sends signals in the brain. Optimize, make something as effective as possible. Algorithm, a set of instructions for solving a problem. Actuator, a machine part that makes movement possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning with me today, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a friend on their English learning journey. Bye!